मैम
यस हर्षित गुप्ता बोलिए. Let me check it once again. All right. Someone is asking something about the postal test. Okay, that's good, Palak. If you have done all the postal test paper in one copy, so you may submit that copy in the school so that we will be able to check it. Okay. All right. So we have discussed the.
मैम हमने
Yes.
आपके मेल पे भेजी है.
Okay, that's good. I'll check it out. Okay.
हम
So
हॉलीडे
I have
होमवर्क भी
showed
मेल
you.
पे भेज सकते हैं.
Anji, this fiber to wood, I hope it must be clear to you. What is sharing? Sharing is clear to everyone. Can I ask to anyone?
Yes.
What is sharing? Is it clear to everyone? Let me know what is it.
मैम आप
Just
मैम आप
simply
लोग कॉपियाँ कैसे चेक करोगे?
Beta, I will ask you to submit your copies also in this school. Don't worry, Hardik. You just keep your work completed with you. That's my issue. That how I'll check. Whether I'll check in online classes or offline. It's up to me. Okay, beta. You just keep your work completed. All right. So I was asking about the sharing. I want to hear from you only, Hardik Khurana. What is sharing? Will you tell me, Khurana?
Can I tell?
Khurana,
Can I tell?
Ma'am, can I?
why you are not able to
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
now, Khurana? Yes, Palak, you are exactly correct. Someone else is also raising their. Okay, I want to hear from Vanchika. Yes, Vanchika.
Ma'am, the rearing of sheep's fur from his body is called shearing.
Okay, shearing is done with a machine, right? Sometimes
Or large laser.
bioclipping is also used in that. Okay, इसमें क्या किया जाता है? You know what is bioclipping? Bioclipping में sheep is injected with special hormones, right? And what that hormones do actually, by that hormones, their fleece can be easily peeled off, right? अपने आप से easily, बहुत easily आप उनको ऐसे ही peel off कर सकते हो. For that, one hormone is being injected, and this method is known as bioclipping. Switch on your videos. So many have not. All right. Next was scouring. Okay. Now, who is going to tell me about scouring? Scouring. Yes, it's done with that also. And bioclipping is the another method. Nowadays, it's also being used. Why only two? Have I told only two in the class? Am I having only 2 students in my class? I thought I'm having 40. I would like to hear from Chandni. Yes, Chandni, will you tell me? Chandni Soni, would you like to tell me what is scouring? You guys are having option to unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. क्या होता है scouting? आपने if you have removed the fees, what you have to do what you have to do after that? Yes, Chandni, I'm waiting for your response.
May I answer your question?
Okay, I want to hear from Varsha Vishali.
Ma'am, removing dust, grease, sweat from the hairs of sheep or the flances of the sheep.
Removing of dust, dirt, and grease, right? And when when we remove grease from these fleas, then this grease is known as lanolin, and where it is being used, it's used in the cosmetic products, in making cosmetic products like cream वगैरह बनाने में इस grease को use किया जाता है, which is known as lanolin. Okay, so scouring क्या होती है? Washing. Okay, अब शीप तो कहीं भी बैठती होगी ना, डस्ट में भी, डर्ट में भी, ग्रीस में भी, तो उसके जो furs होंगे वो clean तो होंगे नहीं. We have to get them clean first, right? That is known as scouring. What it is known as?
Scouring.
Yes, scouring. Okay, shearing is scouring. Next is sorting. What is sorting?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay, Chitra, you may.
Ma'am, the process of separating long and fine quality fleece from the broken pieces are called sorting.
You have just read the language of the book, Chitra. You are not telling me in your own words. Okay.
No, ma'am, I have told in your.
Okay, fine. So separation of wool, we can say, right? On the basis of, you can say their quality, their fineness, their length, etc. We just separate them out. Sorting hota hai, chitai hoti hai. That is known as sorting. Okay. Now you have sorted them according to their fineness, their color, their length. Combing. What was the next step? Yes, Palak, you are right. Removing the birds from the fleece. Birds क्या होते हैं? What are birds?
Tiny notes. Tiny notes.
Yes, tiny notes. Notes यानी गठान. छोटी-छोटी गांठें पर जाती है ना. They are known as birds. Okay, so you just have to make it a flat. Okay, so fleece is combed to straighten the fiber. Fiber को straight करने के लिए and to remove the tiny knots. Sorry. Comb-like structures are being used. जब वो comb-like structure उनको combing करेंगे, तो जो छोटी-छोटी knots होंगी, वो remove हो जाएंगी. Okay, next dyeing है, dye करना है, color करना है. Next is spinning. That means fibers are twisted to form yarn. Okay, and then they are being knitted or woven. This is all about the steps of wool. Now I have explained you that about silk also. That silk is a shining fiber and which we get from silkworm, and it is made up of animal protein, right? It's having luster in it, and silk fibers जो होते हैं, they are converted into yarn and then into silk cloth. Okay, so leading country, who is the leading country in silk production? Who is the leading country? Yes, Devang?
China.
China. Country. Yes. Okay. Now, if I talk about the life cycle of a silk moth, let me show you my notes. Actually, I forgot to take a clip. Yes. Is it visible to you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
No, ma'am. I'm not clearly.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Clear.
Surely it's clear.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Is it?
No,
Is
ma'am.
it?
No, ma'am.
मैम आपका कैमरा हिल रहा है बार-बार में.
Is it fine now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Not fine.
मैम ये झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
Okay, fine. Clear नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं. I'm just explaining you. You don't have to take a screenshot of this. Okay, I'm just explaining you.
Okay,
See, what happens in a life cycle of a silk moth acts on a mulberry tree leaves get hatched. Okay, all right. Just leave it. I'll explain it to you. All right. So I was explaining you that what is the life cycle of a silk moth. Before the discussing the rearing of silk moth, we will discuss what is the life cycle. There are 4 steps in the life cycle of a silk moth: eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. I'm repeating myself again: eggs, larva, pupa, and adult silk moth. Right?
मैम cocoon भी तो होता है ना.
Yes, Vanshika.
मैम प्यूपा के बाद cocoon भी तो होता है ना.
तो प्यूपा ही अपने चारों तरफ कोकून रैप कर देता है. वो कोई अलग स्टेज नहीं है. जब वो प्यूपा स्टेज में होता है, then it wound itself with a cocoon, right? And you just boil that cocoon to unwound the silk fibers. Okay, and they mostly feed on the mulberry leaves. I'm going to show you a very good video that will make everything clear to you. Okay, first let me explain this. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a query related to holiday homework.
Yes, Asta, let me finish this topic and then you may ask here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, have
So,
you marked me present?
no, I haven't because you didn't responded me, Asta. I thought you are absent today.
Oh,
Why you didn't responded earlier?
ma'am, my class was disconnected at that time.
All right, Asta. Now I'll mark it for you. I have done. All right. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
see, yeah, okay. You're welcome. So, eggs on the female silk moth lay her egg on a mulberry leaf. बिल्कुल छोटे-छोटे eggs होते हैं, ठीक है? अब क्या होता है? इन eggs की hatching होगी. When they will get the proper environment, they will get the warmth, they will get hatched. जब eggs की hatching होगी तो उसमें से छोटा सा larva निकलेगा. It's almost of 4 to 6 millimeters. All of you are having centimeters in your scale.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Millimeters also in the centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Can you imagine? Just 4 millimeter. It's too little, right? Too small. 4 millimeter, 4 to 6 millimeter, right? Even half
Yeah,
centimeter.
ma'am.
Almost about half centimeter. Okay. इतने छोटे से उसके बाद they go up to this size.
Ma'am, your voice is not.
बहुत ज़्यादा. They just on mulberry leaf day and night. But if you guys will keep yourself muted, it will be okay. So I was telling you they keep on feeding day and night on the mulberry leaves, and finally they get bigger in the size. Almost in 1 month, in 4 weeks, they get their biggest height, biggest length, and then they start weaving this silk thread around themselves and making the cocoon, right? So eggs ki hatching hui, then we get the larvas. You know, larva is also known as caterpillar also. So if I'm providing you the option caterpillar, don't get confused. Okay, caterpillar, larva is the same. Caterpillar or larva ek hi cheez hai, right? Now in this stage, they will shed their skins 4 times. How many times? 4 times they will shed their skin, right? And they will get converted to pupa. अब pupa stage में क्या करेंगे? They will start wrapping the silk thread around themselves just to make them safe, right? Now they have done their feeding part. अब ये सिर्फ अपना cocoon बनाएंगे and start growing inside it and changing themselves into an adult silk moth, right? And when they will get mature enough, then they will break this cocoon and come out. A silk moth, adult silk moth will come out. But you know, if they will break the cocoon, then what will happen? जो silk thread है ना वो भी टूट जाएगा, and then you will get the small pieces of silk thread that is almost of not a good use for us, right? So what we want a continuous thread. पता है ये जो silk thread बनाते हैं ना वो एक single thread होता है, right? बहुत लंबा होता है, बहुत सारे meters होते हैं एक cocoon का जो silk thread होता है. It's just a continuous. So while doing unwounding, जब आप इनको boil करते हो ना, then when we used to boil them, we used to unwound them, right? And in this unwounding, what we do, we just have to wait. Let me finish my sentence. We just have to find out one strand of this. हमें सिर्फ एक किनारा ढूंढना होता है silk thread का, and after that you may unwound it completely. एक single thread होता है एक cocoon के लिए, right? तो हम क्या करते हैं? We just take 4-5 strands. हम 4-5 strands ले लेते हैं, एक साथ उनको करते हैं, so that क्योंकि ये बहुत you can say कि delicate होता है, right? So we just take 4-5 strands together just to give it durability. Okay? Yes, Sujal, you were asking.
हम adult silk moth को butterfly भी कह सकते हैं.
Sorry, क्या कह सकते हैं?
Adult silk moth को butterfly भी कह सकते हैं.
हाँ जी, वो silk moth होता है. Butterfly एक अलग चीज होती है, ये moth होता है, ठीक है? दिखता butterfly की जैसा ही है, but it's moth.
Butterfly की तरह ही जाता है, इसीलिए
yes, it looks like butterfly. All right, so now I'm going to show you a video for the life cycle of the silk moth. Just give me 1 second for that. Okay, I hope it must be clear to you. Whatever I have explained, and with this video, it will be more clearer to you guys. Just
Yes,
give a minute
ma'am.
for that. In that video, all the steps of this life cycle is clearer. All right, here it is. How it gets converted into worm to cocoon. This is being explained, and in a too good manner. Originally, actually, what happened, it has been showed over here. So now I'm going to explain it to you. You guys just have to tell me whether it is visible or you guys to or not. Let me know. Yes, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
friends. So just have a look on this. See, these are only 3 days old. है ना? Just 3 days old. They're small, small. See, they are too small in size right now. These are the multi. They are fitting. See, look at these. How small they are.
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
Hey, Badri,
Yes,
you just
ma'am.
watch this video and keep yourself muted. They keep on feeding and keep on increasing in size. See, they are eating these leaves. 9th day. They have grown a little bit bigger. Their size has been increased now. See, it's about 2.5 weeks later, right? Around 20 days. अभी 20 days के हो गए हैं. See, their size, they have grown up. See how they are. Now they are.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
जैसे मेरा में
वैसे मेरा
मैम आप जो वीडियो दिखा रहे हो उसमें वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
बिना वॉइस के दिखा रही होगी. मैम वेयर आर यू मैम?
Yes, just look at this video.
मैम सुजन कह रहा है इसमें आवाज.
Only music is there. Just have a look. And all these things
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Start to watch. So was that clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आवाज ही नहीं आ रही
Yes,
थी.
ma'am.
What are the 4 life cycles of the silk moth and how it get converted into cocoon? How they wound this cocoon around themselves? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody is having any doubt in this?
मैम इसमें प्यूपा तो दिखाया ही नहीं.
हाँ.
प्यूपा तो दिखाया ही नहीं इसमें.
तो जब वो छोटे साइज के थे वो कैटरपिलर थे, लार्वा थे जो एग्स में से हैच आउट होके आए थे. एंड व्हेन दे कीप ऑन डूइंग शेडिंग और एंड ग्रोइंग बिगर एंड बिगर, तो वो प्यूपा स्टेज हो गई ना. Those who were wounding that cocoon around themselves, वो क्या थे? वो प्यूपा ही तो थे जो बिगर साइज में थे. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
मैम कोकून
Okay,
तो लास्ट
ma'am.
में था.
Okay. Then cocoon को अब ये split करेंगे. When they will get mature, देखो
Yes,
अभी
ma'am.
cocoon के अंदर है. They have done their feeding part, right? Have you observed how fastly they were feeding? कितनी जल्दी खा रहे थे leaves को when they grown bigger, है ना? They were eating it too fastly,
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
So they will not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, मैम बहुत जल्दी खा रहे थे.
Yes, when they are inside the cocoon, they will not go with that feeding part, right? Now they will just keep on converting themselves into a adult silk moth, right? अब ये सिर्फ conversion होगा इनका adult silk moth में. ये खुद को wound कर लेंगे cocoon के अंदर. Now the next step is rearing of silkworm, right? Now the next step is rearing of silkworm. You know what I mean by rearing of silkworm? यानी उनको पालना, उनका ध्यान रखना, right? To look after the silkworm by providing them proper food, by providing them proper shelter, and taking a good care of them. And why people used to do this? To get the silk, because silk is a lustrous fiber. It is too expensive, so they used to sell it out, right? And for that purpose they used to rear the silkworms. पालते हैं उनको. अब अगर आपको artificially ऐसा करना है, then how it is possible? Let me tell you. हम क्या करते हैं? हम eggs ले लेते हैं, ठीक है? एक बार में पता है कितने eggs देती है एक silk moth? 200 से 500. Okay, 200 to 500 eggs are laid at a time by female silk moth. How many eggs? 200 to 500. Okay, one silk moth. Okay, one female silk moth. Now, अब आपने क्या किया? Have you observed in this video? वो round cardboards के pieces रखे हुए थे. So now we will keep them in the cardboard boxes at proper temperature and proper humidity, right? With mulberry leaves, small bits of mulberry leaves around it. Okay, now they are warmed in an incubator. You must have heard about incubators. The small kids when they get birth, and if any small child, जब birth के time पे कोई small child जो होता है, baby होता है, अगर वो properly develop नहीं होता है, then they are being kept into incubator, right? उनको incubator में रखा जाता है proper temperature maintain करके, है ना? So these are also being kept into incubator. इसमें proper warmth provide किया जाता है इनको. Fine. And after getting that warmth in incubator, these eggs will hatch. Okay, larva will come out. छोटा सा larva का बाहर निकलेगा. I have shown you in the video that how small they are earlier, right, and how big they become later on after feeding on the mulberry leaves. And they start keep on feeding on mulberry leaves day and night. दिन रात खाते ही रहते हैं. And around in 1 month they grow bigger in size. They came up with the maximum size of themselves, and after 30 days they will stop eating. अब नहीं खाएंगे वो. Now they will start spinning cocoon around themselves, and that also in the manner of 8 only. Okay, 8 के shape में cocoon को spin करना शुरू करेंगे, and then they will change to प्यूपा में चेंज हो जाएंगे, स्पिनिंग करना, कोकून बनाना शुरू कर देंगे, एंड कोकून जब के अंदर जब मैच्योर हो जाएंगे, देन हम क्या करेंगे, कोकून्स को बॉईल करेंगे एंड वी विल चेक आउट द सिल्क फिलामेंट्स फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, now I'm going to show you another video to for this rearing of silkworm. That is also a nice video, and I hope you all will like that, and that this concept will be more clearer to you guys. Just give me 1 minute for that. Let me know you whether it is clearer to you or not. It will show you extraction from boiling, you know. All right. I'm going to share. Let me know whether it is visible to you guys or not. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone, so that I can start this. See, these are the cocoons. I hope it must be clear to you that how the cocoons are boiled and how the silk thread is being unwounded. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, उनका सिर्फ एक एंड पकड़ा जाता है और फिर उसको अनमाउंट किया जाता है एंड कलेक्ट किया जाता है. यू नो सम पीपल दोज हु वर्क फॉर द NGOs and who work for animals, they are not in favor on this, right? What they say that is not the right process, because for this you have to kill one organism, right?
Yes, ma'am, this is wrong.
मारना पड़ता है cocoons को इसके लिए, इनको moths को. That's why this is not the right thing. We should not do this. Animal activists जो होते हैं, those who work for animals, work in NGOs, they protest this thing. Okay?
मैम ये कंपल्सरी है इनको मारना.
Yes, बेटा, अगर आप इनको किल करके और नहीं निकालोगे, then when they will get hatched, they will break this cocoon and come out of this, and जब वो उसको तोड़ के बाहर आएंगे, then these silk thread get converted into small pieces जो हमारे किसी use के नहीं रहेंगे. What we want, we just want a continuous silk thread, right? And that we will not be able to get after that.
Yes.
Okay? So I hope it must be clear to you how the rearing of silkworm is being done by the people.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I want to turn cocoon to silk, मैंने क्या किया पहले? Boiling किया, right? Cocoon को boil किया hot water के अंदर. You know, ये जो जब मैं boil करती हूँ तो क्या होता है? एक silk gum होता है जो कि इन fibers को आपस में entangle रखता है. तो वो gum, you know what is the name of that gum? Sericin. What is the name? Sericin. What is the name of the gum?
Sericin.
Together.
Sericin.
Yes, sericin. Okay, that is a silk gum. It will get softened if you will boil them into the hot water, and after that you will be able to unwind that silk fibers very fine manner. Okay, बहुत आराम से आप unwind कर सकते हो silk fibers को. Next is reeling. What I mean by reeling, that is taking out threads from the cocoon. Cocoon से thread को निकालना. Okay. You know, 3 to 10 fine filaments are reeled together. Okay, right now this woman was not sure. I have seen one more video. In that what she was doing, उन्होंने 3-4 cocoons में से ends ले लिए और फिर उन 3-4 threads को इकट्ठा करके और फिर वो एक single filament बना रहे थे. Because it's too delicate, so just to give it the strength, they used to do that. Okay. So taking out thread from the cocoon, that is known as reeling. Okay, cocoon में से thread को निकालना reel करना कहलाता है. उसका thread बनाना reeling करना. Okay, and 3 to 10 filaments are reeled together to make it more stronger as it is too delicate. And spun silk is produced by damaged cocoon. अगर वो निकल जाता है तो फिर उससे spun silk बनता है, right? नेक्स्ट इज थ्रोइंग. व्हाट इज थ्रोइंग? देखो आपको रॉ सिल्क मिल गया, अब आप उसको ट्विस्ट करोगे और ट्विस्ट करके उससे थ्रोन सिल्क बनाओगे. ओके, फाइबर्स जब आप थ्रोन सिल्क बना देते हो तो उसके फाइबर्स जो होंगे उसके सिंगल स्ट्रैंड, दे विल नॉट गेट सेपरेटेड बाय दैट. ऑलराइट, एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज डाइंग. नाउ व्हेन वी आर हैविंग द फाइन सिल्क फाइबर्स विद इट, वी मे get them dye. Okay, थ्रोन सिल्क इज dyed and then spun into silk threads and then woven into silk clothes by the weavers. Okay, and here I have finished my chapter. All right, if you guys are having any doubt, you may ask me. Just read this chapter and you may ask me in the next class, and I'm going to share the notes also with you guys. Okay, earlier I was telling you that it's compulsory for everyone to prepare these notes, but now as you guys are having book, for your convenience, I am preparing the notes, right? If you guys want, you may note it down in your copies. Okay, that will be convenient for you. Yes.
मैम नोट्स की अलग कॉपी बनेगी क्या?
नहीं, इसी में क्वेश्चन आंसर से पहले नोट्स कीजिए, and then you may start with the question answers.
Okay, मैम.
Okay, एक्सरसाइज हम इसी बुक में करेंगे. Okay. In text exercise जो है that we will do in the book. Exercise we will do in the book.
मैम हर चैप्टर के 8 to 10 पेजेस के नोट्स होंगे.
बेटा मैं बहुत शॉर्ट में बनाती हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Yes, मैम पता है. मैम पर हर चैप्टर के बनवाओगे क्या?
बेटा I used to prepare for your convenience. See how 1, 2, 5, 6 pages के ही हैं. And बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में मैंने इनको कन्वर्ट कर रखा है.
मैम फर्स्ट चैप्टर के नोट्स दिखा दो एक बार.
Right now I'm having next class, so it's not possible for me, dear. Okay, but you're not attending the classes that time.
सेकंड चैप्टर की भी दिखा दो ना.
बेटा मैं शुरू से क्लास ही शुरू कर देती हूँ अप्रैल से.